Tired of carrying around two phones just to manage your personal and work WhatsApp accounts? While WhatsApp doesn't officially support multiple accounts within the same app, there are a few workarounds you can try, but keep in mind these are unofficial and might come with risks. First, and the safest option, is to check if your phone has a built-in feature called Dual Apps, App Clone, or something similar. This feature allows you to create a copy of WhatsApp. Head over to your phone's settings, usually found by tapping the gear icon. Search for Dual Apps, App Clone, or a similar term. The exact name and location will vary depending on your phone's brand. Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and others often have this feature. Once you find the Dual Apps setting, you'll see a list of apps you can clone. Locate WhatsApp and enable the cloning feature. Your phone will create a separate, independent copy of WhatsApp. You'll now see two WhatsApp icons on your home screen. Open the second WhatsApp app and register it with your other phone number. Now you can manage both accounts on one device. Another option, if your phone doesn't have a built-in cloning feature, is to explore third-party apps from the Play Store or App Store that offer app cloning functionality. However, be extremely cautious. Many of these apps may contain malware or compromise your privacy. Only download apps from reputable developers with good reviews and a large number of downloads. Read the app permissions carefully before installing. With either the built-in dual app feature or a trusted third-party app, you can finally streamline your WhatsApp communication and ditch the dual phone dilemma. Remember to always prioritize your security and privacy when using unofficial methods. Good luck.